Semaras Farm is simply a big garden inspired by mga European garden because I want tayabasin yung makakarating dito na may experience yung kakaibang garden. Dito po, hindi lang kayo magpipicture, hindi lang kayo mamamasyal, kundi talagang ang inyong offer namin is a place where you can relax. Meron po kami ditong butterfly sanctuary na makikita niyo yung different species of butterfly. We have also for kids, we call it Sugarland. Meron ditong playground and a life-size cake and candies. And also meron din po kaming river if you like to swim, to experience the nature with our pine trees and big garden, come to Semaras Farm. Ako po, si Maricel Doliano, at ito ang Semaras Farm.